Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Mediterranean cuisine and explore the essence of this vibrant and flavorful region. So, let's get started. The Mediterranean region is known for its rich and diverse culinary traditions, influenced by the diverse cultures that have called it home over the centuries. The Mediterranean diet is often praised for its health benefits, but it's also just plain delicious. One of the key ingredients in Mediterranean cuisine is olive oil. It's used in everything from salads to roasted vegetables, and even as a base for sauces. The olive oil used in Mediterranean cooking is often of a higher quality than what you might find in other regions, and it's a staple in many dishes. Another important ingredient is fresh herbs. The Mediterranean region is home to a variety of herbs, such as oregano, thyme, and basil, which are used to add flavor to dishes. These herbs are often used fresh, but they can also be dried and used throughout the year. Fresh vegetables are also a hallmark of Mediterranean cuisine. Tomatoes, eggplants, zucchini, and peppers are all common in dishes, and they're often used in salads or as a base for sauces. Seafood is also a big part of Mediterranean cuisine. Fish, shellfish, and seafood are all popular, and they're often grilled or roasted. Meat is also a part of the Mediterranean diet, but it's often used in smaller quantities than in other regions. Lamb, beef, and poultry are all common, and they're often marinated or seasoned with herbs and spices. Bread is also a staple of Mediterranean cuisine. It's often used to scoop up sauces or to make sandwiches. Finally, desserts are a sweet ending to a Mediterranean meal. Honey, nuts, and fruits are all common ingredients, and they're often used to make cakes, pastries, and other sweet treats. So there you have it, folks. A taste of the Mediterranean essence. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of Mediterranean cuisine, and we can't wait to share more delicious recipes with you in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more amazing content. Until next time, happy cooking!